Guys, we are going to take this little math test. So first up here it says the egg hunt. Central Elementary School had an egg hunt. These are the numbers of eggs found per person. So Liam found 28 eggs, Molly found 19, Malik found 33, Addison found 32, and Carlos found 25. Carlos gave 18 of his eggs to a friend. How many did he have left? So what you need to do is find how many eggs Carlos had, and he gave away 18 to his friend. So we need to find the new amount of eggs he has left after he gave 18 of his 25 eggs away. Number 2, how many more eggs did Malik find than Carlos? Here we're comparing Carlos to Malik. So we need to find the difference between these two. And remember, when we do a subtraction problem, the bigger number is always on top. Malik found 24 eggs, pink eggs. The rest of his eggs were blue. How many eggs did he find? So Malik found a total of 33 eggs. 24 of those eggs were pink. The other amount were blue. We need to find how many eggs were blue. So we need to take away our 24 from our 33. Addison gave Carlos 17 of her eggs. How many eggs does she have left? So we're doing the same thing we did in problem number 1. We are looking at how many eggs Addison had, which is 32, and she gave Carlos 17 of her eggs. So how many eggs does she have left after she gave Carlos her 17?